Thank you for introducing me, Diane. But I will introduce myself again in order to reinforce my identity here. Hello, my name is Benfica Fida Vicilita. My student number is 19055. And I will present the result of our discussion about the intrinsic element in the story of The Old Man and the Sea, a literary fiction by Ernest Hemingway. Okay, number one, plot. Plot is a series of episodes in a narrative carried out by the characters. The plot in the story is, in the literary fiction by Ernest Hemingway, we meet Santiago and a little boy who is very loyal to Santiago, named Manolin. Once the introduction is established, Santiago had gone 84 days without taking a fish. As for the conflict, people stay away from Santiago and think of him as Salao, because it is bad luck that he rarely gets fish in the sea. In a climactic moment, Santiago has sailed for 84 days on the high seas and managed to bring home the head and tail of a very large marlin fish. The resolution is the people who live around the Santiago house no longer perceive him as the most unlucky person and value his existence more. Next, number two, setting. Setting is a depiction of the time, place, and atmosphere of a story. The setting from the story is harbor and the sea. Number three, character. Character is someone who plays a role in the story. There are two characters in the story, namely Santiago and Manolin. 4. Characterization. Characterization is a description of a character or character given by the author to the characters in the story. The characterization from the story: Santiago is a man who refuses to attack even though he is old. He has high confidence in himself that one day he will get a big fish to prove to people that he is not Salao. 2. Manolin is a kind of child. He actually very caring and wants to help Santiago. 5. Point of view. Point of view is utilized by a literary device to indicate the angle or perspective from which a story is told. Point of view is third person omniscient in the story. As said by Steve Alcorn in 2012, that the third person omniscient viewpoints lets you describe any event, anywhere, whether a person is present or not. It is also allows you to explore the thoughts of any character or even animals, as you please. And it has been illustrated since the beginning of the story in this novel. Last is theme. The theme in that story is the honor in struggle, defeat, and death.